Fully automated customer service is the ultimate goal for contact centers, but it's remained elusive. It's a complex problem, exactly the kind ASAPP was created to solve. For over a decade, we've been tackling the toughest problems in enterprise contact centers with AI. And with the power of generative AI, we were ready to tackle this one too. So we built GenerativeAgent, an autonomous AI agent that resolves nuanced customer issues over voice or chat. It integrates easily into existing contact center technologies, offers unmatched safety and reliability, handles complex enterprise workflows out of the box, and empowers business users with no-code tools. It's much more than a typical bot. Instead of transferring the customer every time it hits a roadblock, GenerativeAgent collaborates with a human agent in real time to get what it needs, then continues resolving the customer's issue on its own. And because it scales to meet demand, contact center capacity scales with it, without increasing headcount or shortchanging customer satisfaction. Let's see it in action with a customer whose credit card has been declined while trying to make a purchase. You'll see a transcript of the conversation in the center panel. On the right, GenerativeAgent keeps a running log of its chain of thought and the actions it takes to resolve the customer's issue.
Hi there, I'm a smart AI agent for Hudson Company. Welcome back, Santiago. How may I help you today?
Hey, I'm trying to buy a laptop online and my credit card keeps getting declined. Can you help me with that?
Got it. 1 second. To assist you with your declined credit card transaction, I'll need to verify your identity. Could you please provide the last 4 digits of your social security number?
Yeah, sure thing. It's 6789.
Okay, thanks for that information. Just a moment, please. Thank you for verifying your identity, Santiago. I see you're calling about the account ending in 81008. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right. It's my platinum credit card.
Got it. 1 second. I'm pulling up your most recent transactions. I see 3 declined transactions of $3,499.99 each at Elite Electronics today. Is this the laptop purchase you're referring to?
Yeah, that's the one. I tried it a couple of times because it wouldn't go through.
Understood. I need a moment. The transaction was declined due to suspected fraudulent activity. This is likely because of the high amount and multiple attempts.
Okay, well, it wasn't fraud. It was definitely me. So what can I do about it?
I understand. Just a moment, please. I've unblocked the transaction for you. You can now retry your purchase at Elite Electronics.
Okay, that's great. Give me just a minute while I try that.
Certainly. Take your time. Please let me know if the transaction goes through or if you need any further assistance.
During this conversation, GenerativeAgent accessed back-end systems to retrieve the last 30 days of transactions, identified the problem, and explained why the card was declined. Once the customer verified that the attempted transaction was legitimate, GenerativeAgent removed the block on the card, which allowed the customer to complete their purchase. Let's resume the interaction.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that went through fine. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear the transaction was successful. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, one more thing. I got this credit card back in November, I think, and there was a pretty good sign-up bonus when I got it. And I think I've met the spending requirements for it, but I haven't seen the points posted on my account. Could you check on that for me?
I understand. Please give me a minute to look into this. I understand you're inquiring about your credit card's welcome bonus. Let me look into that for you. Can you confirm this is about the welcome bonus points?
Yeah, exactly. It's about the points that I would have received on my account.
Got it. 1 second. Please hold while I check on this with an agent. This may take a moment.
When the customer asked about bonus points, GenerativeAgent switched topics easily, something many AI agents struggle with. Because GenerativeAgent couldn't access the information it needed to answer the customer's question, it asked the human in the loop to check on the welcome bonus, and it provided the information and context the agent needs to handle that task. The human in the loop interface is embedded into the agent desk in the CX platform they already use, so it's convenient and familiar. creating an intuitive experience for the agent. Once the human in the loop provides the requested bonus points information, GenerativeAgent can respond to the customer's question and continue to handle the interaction on its own.
Good news, Santiago. You've met the spending goal for your welcome bonus. The points will be posted to your account by your next statement, close date, which is March 25th.
Okay, and I don't have to do anything, right? That's just automatic?
Okay, thanks for that information. Just a moment, please. That's correct. The bonus will be automatically applied to your account. You don't need to take any further action.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Santiago. Before you go, I noticed you're eligible for our high-yield savings account with a 4.1% annual yield. Would you like to learn more about this opportunity?
Yeah, that sounds like an interesting offer. I'd be happy to learn more.
Got it. I need a moment. Connecting you with an agent.
With the customer's issues fully resolved, GenerativeAgent offered a targeted promotion. The customer was interested, so GenerativeAgent routed the call to a human, along with the context that agent would need for a seamless handoff. A traditional bot wouldn't be able to handle the complexity of this interaction. At the first roadblock, the customer would be transferred to a queue where they would wait for the next available agent. But with GenerativeAgent, the customer's issues were successfully resolved with minimal human involvement. The result is faster, more efficient service for customers with a lighter burden and lower costs for the contact center. GenerativeAgent delivers fully automated customer service at any scale, so contact center capacity expands dramatically without compromising customer satisfaction.